Welcome to the project demonstration of firefighting robot controlled through Bluetooth mobile phone. So in this we have the main features like we can control this robot movements like forward, backward, left, right from Android mobile phone. So using Bluetooth technology. So that Bluetooth commands will be received by the HC05 Bluetooth module which is attached to our PIC microcontroller. So here we are using PIC 16F73 microcontroller. So this is going to be the HC05 Bluetooth module. We have interface that to PIC 16F73 microcontroller at C7 pin, and the next two, based on the commands received from this module, we are going to set the direction for the robots, and that robot directions will be set by the DC motors which are attached to our microcontroller through the L293D motor driver. So we interface that to C0, C1, C2, C3 pins. So L293D itself, a motor driver, can control the two DC motors direction, that is a forward, backward, left, right and stop also. And one more feature, we have fire detection. So whenever the flame detected, that will be identified by this flame sensor. So as you know that fire consists of IR rays. So we are using IR receiver. So it will receive the IR rays from the flame, and that was given as digital input to our microcontroller at A0 pin. And whenever it get the fire, and then the system will on the motor which we placed under this tanker through the electromagnetic relay, so which was connected at the B7 pin of our microcontroller. So the total system getting power supply from 12 volts 1 amp, which is a rechargeable battery. So this 12 volts given to the DC motors, and on this L293D motor itself we have 7805 regulator, so which will take 12 volts DC input and provide us the 5 volts DC output. So which is the main operating voltage for the relay, Bluetooth module and flame sensor. And also whenever the flame detects, we are going to provide the audible alerts by on this buzzer. So we are using piezo buzzer which is of say 5 volt operated. So and we are connecting a 9 volts battery separately for the DC water pump motor directly. So let us see demonstration. Before switching on the kit, we need to install one application. So HC05 from the Play Store, this application icon. So and after installation, go to Bluetooth settings. So this is only initial setup in phone when you installed it first time. So because we need to pair it from the settings initially. So available device HC05, it will ask for the password. So 1 2 3 4 is the password, right? So after pairing from the settings only, then go to our application. So there we can see the HC05 here. So now connect to that. So when we install initially, so these buttons come with the name of BT1. So in order to change that, change the name to button name forward, command F, and uncheck these two. So like that, change the remaining 4 buttons also. Now so forward, stop, backward, stop, the left side, right side, right. So whenever the flame detects, so we'll show you the flame detection. So right, whenever the flame detects,